Our first guru is our parents. Children spend only 8 hours a day at school, but rest 16 hours at their home. Especially in what we are going to make the children for future, what to make of them. Till for the journey of students has beautiful and exciting. All the teachers puts efforts to extract the hidden qualities of each and every student. Within a short period of time, this has established himself as quality institution of excellence. School has earned many accolades and has made not only in our states but also in our nation. This curriculum is based on QES, Quality Education System. Without wasting much time, let us begin and unfold various events awaiting. I hope you all enjoy the evening while our little angels spread their magic by showing their talents. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now we are going to start our prize distribution ceremony. First, let us start with the SOF International GK Olympiad Zonal Topper Rank Gold Medalist for the session 2018 and 19. So the gold medalist is from IC Isani Swai. Now she is in the grade 6. Previous year she was in the grade 4. Please give a great round of applause to IC Isani Swai. I would like to request our guest of honor Mr. Ranendra Kumar Swain sir to give our this medal to IC Isani Swain. I would also like to request all the dignitaries to accompany sir. The second gold medalist is Bhagyasri Jaina. Last year she was in grade 2. This year she has promoted to grade 3. Bhagyasri Jaina. Now it next it is the most obedient child. Most obedient child. Next it is the time for the child who has best book and copy maintained. Next the award goes to best book and copy maintaining child, and this award goes to Ipsa Das of grade 6. Ipsa Das of grade 6 is the best book and copy maintaining child. For them. Next it is the 100% attendance, and this award goes to Itisri Behera of grade 6. It's the 100% attendance of Itisri Behera. Last year she was in grade 5, so we have chosen on that basis. 100% attendance goes to Itisri Behera. I would like to request our director Mr. Rahul Swain sir to give this award. the Best Volunteer Award, and Best Volunteer goes to Somyakant Beura. Somyakant Beura of grade 8. I would like to request our director sir, Mr. Rai Bahadur Bikram Kesari sir, to present this award. Best Volunteer, Somyakant Beura.
We are sorry to announce one more thing, that students, you please go and get the tiffin from the office side by showing your I-card. 2 tiffins will be given on 1 I-card. Gayatri madam, Pati Didi, be there to give the tiffin to the students.
Cheer them with huge round of applause. Next prize for the best thought speaker, and that goes to S. Pal Pritinanda, but to be sorry, she is absent today. Now for the best quiz speaker, and the prize goes to Shraddha Maheshwari of grade 7. And I request our director Rahul Swain to give the prize. Please clap for them. Now it is the prize for the best commander, and that goes to Satya Swarup Nanda of grade 8. And I request our director sir, Mr. Rai Bahadur Bikram Kesari sir, to give the prize.
Next prize goes to, for the neat and clean boy. Neat and clean boy goes to Srimad Sahu, and we are very sorry that he is absent today. So now it is the neat and clean child girl. Next, neat and clean girls. It goes to Lipansi Priyadarsini from UKG. Lipansi Priyadarsini. Now I would like to request our guest of honor, Mr. Ranendra Kumar Swain sir, to give this award. Neat and clean child girls goes to Lipansi Priyadarsini. Please, I would like to request all our audience, please have a clap and encourage our students, because they are just flowering birds and they need to be encouraged. The next award is the most disciplined class. The next award is the most disciplined class, and it goes to grade 2. The most disciplined class of Janith International School goes to grade 2. I would like to request the monitor and the class teacher of grade 2, please come onto the stage and collect the award. The monitor and the class teacher of grade 2, I would like to request our chairman sir to hand it over this prize to the monitors and the class teacher of grade 2. The next prize is for the most decorative class. The next prize goes to most decorative class, and it goes to grade 6. I would like to request Mr. Rahul Swain sir to hand over this prize. The monitor and the class teacher of grade 6, please come to the stage and collect this award from our director, Mr. Rahul Swain sir.
Now it is the time for the self-motivated neat and clean class, and the prize goes to grade 4. And I request the monitor and the class teacher to come and receive the prize. And I request our honorable guest to give the prize.
Category. The first prize goes to PREUC of grade 2. The second prize goes to DM IUC. I would like to request both the directors sir to present our most and awaited guest. Both the celebs from Hollywood TV industries are with her. I would like to request all our teachers to welcome her. They are already present on our gate. The most awaited Hollywood celebs, Subhasis Sharma and his better half, Anisa. The most awaited celebs guest from Hollywood TV industry are with us. After that, he keeps his feet in the Hollywood industry with a break in movie Prema Adai Akshara. Then he appeared in the film Kiese Dakuchi Kouti Mote. His third Odia cinema is Criminal. After that, he played a lead role in Tumo Aramba, Tumo Sesa. He had seen in the popular teleseries. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence at here. Mrs. Anisa Sharma. Anisa Sharma was the better half of Mr. Subhasis Sharma, and Anisa was playing the lead actress opposite to Subhasis Swabhiman as Riya and Ritu and Aina as Aina. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your presence. Again, I am requesting all the parents, please give a great clap for our Bollywood celebs who was present out of their busy schedule, who have come here and bless us. Again, I am requesting our director sir, Mr. Vikram sir, to felicitate all our Bollywood celebs. Again, I would like to request our director, Mr. Rahul Swain sir, to felicitate Mrs. Anisa Sharma. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request our Hollywood celebs, Mr. Subhasis Sharma.
उपस्थित गुरुजन मान नमस्कार मंचासीन अतिथि मान माय हैंडसम ब्रदर्स थैंक यू सो मच बहुत खुशी लागे जेतेबेले जन्म बाटे पाद पड़े मु ए केंद्रापड़ा पिला एठी जन्म आज मन पड़छ मोर से स्कूल फंक्शन कथा केते माने हमें केते एन्जॉय करथुलु एंड दया जेतेबेले मते फोन कले के स्कूल फंक्शन जिबारे माने प्रथम हम मारले नै आउ किछ भाबिबार मु जेमते हे जिबी समस्त चुपचाप के अछंती हाँ जानी जानी थैंक यू सो मच
Now I would like to request our Hollywood celebs, Mrs. Anisa Sharma, to address the audience.
Good evening, everyone. Hi to all kids. से जेमती कहले तांकर जन्ममाटी सेमती एटा मोर सासु घर जेतेबेले भी केंद्रापड़ार ना उठे मु बहुत खुशी है जे आसे बहुत भल लागे मते जेमती कहले स्कूल फंक्शंस आमे आजिकली एते व्यस्त रहउछु स्कूल फंक्शंस बेले आमे छोटो छोटो डांस हो जा भी एते एन्जॉय करथु एबे हमको बहुत बड़ बड़ फंक्शन बेले भी हमको से दिन मिलुनी बहुत मन पड़े स्कूल बेलर କଥା ସେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ଟେନସନ ନଥାଏ, ଖାଲି ପାଠ ପଢିବା ଆଉ ଡାନ୍ସ ସଙ୍ଗ ଏଇ ସବୁ ହିଁ ଥାଏ। ତ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଭଗବାନଙ୍କୁ ଏତିକି ଡାକେ କାଶ ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ ପଛକୁ ନେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତେ, ଆମେ ପୁଣି ଛୁଆ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। ମୁଁ ଯେତେ ବଡ଼ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ମତେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଟାଇମ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି। ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଏ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଟାଇମ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିବାକୁ। ମୋ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଯେତେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲେ ବି ମୋ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ରହିଛି। ତ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଇଛି ଏ ଫଙ୍କସନକୁ ଆସିକି। ନାଚ ଗୀତ ନିହାତି ଦେଖିବି ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଡାନ୍ସ କରିପାରିବି।
In the junior grade category, the first prize goes to Adyasa Sai Priya Das of grade 4. And the second, please I would request all our parents to have a clap and encourage our children. In the senior grade category, the first prize goes to Satya Swarup Nanda of grade 8. In the senior most category, the first prize goes to Satya Swarup Nanda. Again, I am requesting all our parents, please have a clap and encourage our children, because they are the flowering birds. They needs to be encouraged and needs to be developed so that they can participate in many events. Is the senior category. For the second prize goes to Somya Ranjan Das, but unfortunately he is absent today. So we are moving to the third prize and it goes to Arusi Das of grade 8. Arusi Das, please give a great clap for Arusi Das. Best rhyme reciter, and it goes to the UKG boy Sai Swarup Parida. The best rhyme reciter, and it goes to Sai Swarup Parida. Again, I am requesting our celebs to please hand over these prizes to our little child Sai Swarup Parida from UKG. Please parents, have a clap for Sai Swarup.
Edit.
From the preschool year 3, that is LKG classes, academic performances, and this first prize goes to Shreya Sangeeta Jaina from preschool year 3. Shreya Sangeeta Jaina of preschool year 3, academic. Again, I would like to request our Bollywood celebs to give this prize. The second prize goes to Karan Kumar Maulik, but unfortunately he is absent today. So we are moving to the third, and this third prize goes to Soyam Prakash Mohanty from preschool year 3. Next, it is the academic performances of preschool year 4, and the first prize goes to Batsa Priyadarshini of preschool year 4. Barsa Priyadarshini of preschool year 4. Barsa Priyadarshini of preschool year 4. And the second prize goes to Sai Abhida Raut of preschool year 4. The second prize goes to Sai Abhida Raut of preschool year 4. And the third prize goes to Prithviraj Das of preschool year 4. The third prize goes to Prithviraj Das of preschool year 4. Please parents, please have a clap for our little mini Mickey child so that they can encourage and they can win the next academic performance in the next classes also. Next it is the academic performance of grade 1 and the first prize goes to Prerna Panda. The first prize goes to Prerna Panda of the academic in the grade 1. The second prize goes to DM IUC. The second prize goes to DM IUC of grade 1. And the third prize goes to Bhavani Sankar. The third prize goes to Bhavani Sankar. Please, again I am requesting all the parents, please give a great clap for them so that their little children can encourage. The third spot goes to Bhavani Sankar. The academic performance of grade 2 and the first prize goes to Bhagyasri Jaina. The first prize goes to Bhagyasri Jaina in the academics in the grade 2. The second prize goes to Dibyansi Parija of grade 2. The second prize goes to Dibyansi Parija. The third prize goes to Swastik Sumona Das. The third prize goes to Swastik Sumona Das in the academic performance of grade 2. Next it is the academic performance of grade 3. The first prize goes to Manoj Kumar Sahu. Academic performance of grade 3. The first prize goes to Manoj Kumar Sahu. Next, the second prize goes to Tanvi Parida of grade 3. Okay, now is the best storyteller. It's a small boy from UKG, Rudra Prakash Makeup is with us. Now I would like to request all our Bollywood celebs to please give this prize to Rudra Prakash Makeup. And the third prize goes to Aisa Mohanty. The third prize goes to Aisa Mohanty. Thank you, sir.
Sorrowfully, we are announcing that we are expecting that our Honorable Collector Sir will arrive before 6 o'clock. Now, not arriving. So we are, because our students are waiting to receive the prize, some prizes from the Collector Sir. Now, even if I'll say thanks, sir, for your giving away the prizes, Anish sir and Anisha ma'am, Subhasis sir and Anisha ma'am, and I'll also thanks Rahul sir, Vikram sir and Jita sir and RK sir. Please take your seat. We are now going to wind up our here program here, and after arrival of the collector sir, will once again prize giving ceremony and other meetings and sir's blessing will start. Till now, we'll go for the things, and in middle of arranging the stage, thank you sir, please I'll tell my volunteers, please escort our guests.
ଭାବରେ ହେଉ ବା ଅଭାବରେ କରିନାହୁ ମତେ ପର ସୁଖରେ ହେଉ ବା ଦୁଃଖରେ କରିନାହୁ ମତେ ଦୂର।
ଭାରି ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ଗାଇବାକୁ ଗୀତ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ପାଦେ ବାନ୍ଧି ଘୁଙ୍ଗୁରର ମାଳ କରିବା କି ମତେ ତୁମ ଦେବଦାସୀ ଚକା ଆଖି ହେ କଳା ଠାକୁର।
ହଁ ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ, ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ହଜିଯିବା ମଜିଯିବା ସେ କଳା ଠାକୁର ପ୍ରେମରେ। ଏଭଳି ଏକ ସମବେତ ନୃତ୍ୟ ନେଇ ଉପସ୍ଥାପିତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରେଡ୍ 7 and 8 ର କୁନି କଳାକାରମାନେ କଳା ଠାକୁର ଭଜନର ତାଳେ ତାଳେ। So, let's welcome the girls of grade 7 and 8 to perform on the song Kala Thakura. Give a huge round of applause for them.
জগন্নাথ জগন্নাথ ମୋ ସ୍ରଷ୍ଟା ମୋ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ମୁଁ ହିଁ ବିଲୟ ମୁଁ ହିଁ ଧାରଣ କରିଥିଲି ନୂଆ ରୂପ ମୁଁ କଚ୍ଛପ ବରାହ ନରସିଂହ ବାମନ ପରଶୁରାମ ରାମ ବଳରାମ ଏବଂ ବୁଦ୍ଧ ମୁଁ ହିଁ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିଥିଲି କୁରୁକ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ମହାଭାରତ। ମୁଁ କେବଳ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ହିଁ ଆସୁଛି କଳ୍କି ରୂପରେ।
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
तो थाली से जाओ में जैसे लाइट हो